So the 63 question is compound A. Compound A C8H10O is found to react with NaOI produced by reacting by with NaOH and yields a yellow precipitate with characteristic smell. A and I are respectively. So we have to give what is A and Y. That compound A, that the first compound is CA8HN is found to react with NaOH. Compound A and this is found to react with NaOI and this NaOI produced by reaction by compound with NaOH. So we have to find these two compounds. So the answer, these are the option givens. So as Y we can see it will be only I2 क्योंकि that's why H if I2 reacts with NaOH, HI will be separated and NaOI will be separated. So I2 is same on all. So we have to find the first compound. So the answer is this. This CHOH CH3 benzene will be, if this will be react with NaOI and this will react with NaOI, a yellow precipitate and characteristic smell will be found. So the answer is second. Thank you.